Hey Cindy, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I happened to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website and figured I'd shoot a short video for you all, going over 3 things that you all can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you all can take these tips in this video and you can use them for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks. The first one being content, which has a lot to do with your website here. And so you guys have a really professional looking site. And what content is, it's any of these words that you can see, but it also includes what your photos were saved as before they were uploaded. So Google has the capability of seeing what's behind photos. And it's important to make sure that you have enough content on your site because Google wants to see you providing value to your readers, as well as what keywords are embedded throughout your content. A good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you do want those keywords embedded throughout there. And one example of a keyword is South Bend Construction Company. Whenever your future customers are searching for this here, the first thing that's populating are some ads. And ads are definitely something to consider for yourself. They can be very beneficial for getting business if utilized properly. But if we scroll down, we run across the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And citations have a huge role in ranking in this section here. You do want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And so the way that you rank would be to have a Google business profile, which I see that you do have here. And then you'd want this to be completely optimized, which that does include a few different things, but the main thing would be citations, which would be your business name, the address, and phone number, exactly as you have it here in your profile, in your local directories. So that could be Yelp, Facebook. A good rule of thumb would be to go in to your competitors and see what local directories they are in, and then match all of those, and then do more as well. And then that way you can be ranking and get your share of this 30 to 40% of business. And if we scroll down, we are at the start of the organic listing. And so the remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing here. And this is where your website would be ranking. And then those backlinks have a big role in ranking your website. So here we're at the bottom of the first page. Over 90% of people will stay on the first page. So it's very important to be on the first page as high up as possible. Something that we can do is we can plug in your website into a tool called Ahrefs and take a look at these ratings. And then all of this data here was pulled from Google. The UR and the DR is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. You all have 31 and 15. What's making up your ratings here are the 1,900 backlinks that you have. And these backlinks are coming from 205 referring domains. And a backlink, that is one website linking to another, kind of like a shout out. And so it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost the UR and the DR, and there are spammy ones that will bring these down. So you do want to be intentional there, as well as making sure the backlinks are relevant to your industry. And what goes hand in hand with this here are keywords. You have 887 keywords on your site, and it's important to make sure that you have buyer intent keywords on your site so that you're being boosted to the top of Google for what you would want to be found for. And buyer intent helps qualify those leads from the beginning. And you all have 171 monthly traffic, but what is cool is that we can do this as well with all of your competitors. So one of your competitors that was ranking on that page here for that keyword, they have 14 and 46. What's making up their ratings here are just under 2,900 backlinks, coming from 262 referring domains, and just under 7,000 keywords and 7,000 monthly traffic to their website. And so we can go into the backlinks that they have, the referring domains that they have, and then we can link those to your website as well, because if it is working for them to rank, it would work for you. And then we can go into the keywords that your competitors are ranking for, and then make sure that those are on your site as well as doing a separate search just to see what keywords they may be missing. And then that way, with your UR and your DR higher than your competitors, with those good buyer intent keywords that apply to you, you would be boosted to the top of that Google search result for those searches that you'd want to be found for. And so the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would be converting into your customers there. And I hope that this video was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.